Dear students, welcome to my 5th class on Module 4, Curve Fitting and Statistical Methods. In this lecture video, I'll be discussing the problems on lines of regression. Problem number 1. Find the regression lines of y on x for the following data. The data is x is equal to 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. Y is equal to 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So now for this data, I am going to find the lines of regression y on x. The regression lines of y on x is given by capital Y is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square into capital X. To calculate capital X, the formula is x minus x bar. To calculate capital Y, the formula is y minus y bar. So now x bar is given by summation x by n, and capital Y bar is given by summation y by n. The summation x is given by adding all the x values. I got it is 56. Summation y is given by adding all the y values. I got 40. And the value of n is given by 8 here. So hence x bar is given by 56 by 8. So I got x bar is equal to 7. And y bar is given by 40 by 8. I got y bar is equal to 5. So now I am going to compute the value of capital X, capital Y, capital X square, capital X into Y using tabular column. The tabular column must have small x, small y. Capital X, it is given by x minus 7. Capital Y is given by y minus 5. X square, capital X into capital Y. So x is given by 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. Y is given by 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So now I am going to calculate capital X, subtracting this complete x values with 7. So I got minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4, 7. Capital Y is given by subtracting this complete y values with minus 5. So I got minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Now x square. Squaring all capital X, I got 36, 16, 9, 1, 1, 4, 16, 49. XY. Multiplying capital X with capital Y will be getting XY. That is 24, 12, 3, 1, 0, 4, 12 and 28. So now we are supposed to find the value of summation x square and summation xy. So adding all the x square values, we will be getting summation x square is equal to 132, and adding all xy will be getting summation xy is equal to 84. Now take the formula of y on x. It is given by y is equal to summation xy by summation x square into capital X. So replacing capital Y as y minus y bar and x as x minus x bar. So I got the equation like y minus y bar is equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. Since we have the value of y bar is equal to 5 and x bar is equal to 7, so I got the equation y minus 5 is equal to 84 by 132 into x minus 7. So I got y minus 5 is equal to 0.6364 into x minus 7. So simplifying this, we got y is equal to 0.6365x minus 0.5452 is the required line of regression y on x. Problem number 2. Find the correlation coefficient and equation of regression lines of the following data. X is given like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is given like 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. So now from this data, first thing we have to find the correlation coefficient. Then we have to find the lines of regression. So here both we have to find y on x as well as x on y. Okay, the formula to calculate the correlation coefficient is given by summation xy divided by square root of summation x square into summation y square. Capital X is given by x minus x bar. Capital Y is given by y minus y bar. X bar is given by summation x by n and y bar is given by summation y by n. So calculating summation x, we got 15. Summation y, we got 25. And I got the value of n is equal to 5. So now x bar will be equal to 15 by 5. So I got the mean of x is equal to 3. And y bar is equal to, I got 25 by 5. I got mean of y is equal to 5. So now I'm going to calculate capital X, capital Y, capital X square, capital AY square and capital X into Y from the following table. So now the tabular column must have small x, small y, capital X is equal to x minus 3, capital Y is equal to y minus 5, x square, y square into xy. So to calculate capital X, subtract x values with 3 and to get capital Y, subtract y values with 5. So I got x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y they have given like 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. So capital X will be now minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and capital Y is minus 3, 0, minus 2, 3, 2. So now calculating x square. So squaring all capital X I got 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and squaring all y I got 9, 0, 4, 9, 4. xy multiplying x with y I got 6, 0, 0, 3, 4. So now I am going to find summation of x square, summation of y square, summation of xy. So adding all x square I'll be getting summation of x square, adding all y square will be getting summation of y square, adding all xy will get summation of xy. So the summation of x square is 10, summation of y square is 26 and summation of xy is 13. So I got the value of r is equal to 13 by square root of 10 into 26. The value of r is equal to 0.8062. So now I'm going to find the regression line y on x. The formula is y is equal to summation xy by summation x square into capital X. Y is nothing but y minus y bar and x is nothing but x minus x bar. Y bar is 5, x bar is 3. So I got the equation y minus y bar is equal to summation xy by summation x square into x minus x bar. It will be equal to y minus 5 is equal to 13 by 10 x minus 3. So simplifying this I got y minus 5 is equal to 1.3 into x minus 3 or y minus 5 is equal to 1.3x minus 3.9. So I got y is equal to 1.3x plus 1.1. Similarly, I am going to estimate y of x on y. The formula is capital X is equal to summation xy by summation y square into capital Y. It will be equal to x minus x bar into summation xy by summation y square into y minus y bar. So I got the equation x minus 3 is equal to 13 by 26 y minus 5. So it will become 0.5 here. So I got x minus 3 is equal to 0.5 y minus 2.5. By multiplying 0.5 inside here, so I got 0.5 y minus 2.5 and shifting this minus 3 to RHS, I got x is equal to 0.5 y plus 0.5. So I got two equations. The two lines of regression, one is x on y is x is equal to 0.5 y plus 0.5 and y on x is 1.3x plus 1.1. Problem number 3. Obtain the lines of regression and hence find the coefficient of correlation for the following data. So x is given like 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15. Y is given by 8, 6, 10, 8, 12, 16, 16, 10, 32, 32. So now from this data I am going to estimate the lines of regression y on x and x on y. Later I will be finding the correlation coefficient r. So we need to calculate the value of capital X. So this capital X is given by x minus y x bar and y is given by y minus y bar. So to calculate x bar, the formula is summation x by n. The formula for y bar is summation y by n. So I got summation x is equal to 70 and summation y is equal to 150 and n they have given that 10. So the x bar will be equal to now 70 by 10. So I got x bar is equal to x bar is equal to 7 and y bar is given by 150 by 10. I got y bar is equal to 15. So now I am going to make a tabular column to calculate the value of capital X, capital Y, capital X square, capital Y square and capital X into Y. So small x is given by what? 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15 and small y is given by 8, 6, 10, 8, 12, 16, 16, 10, 32, 32. I am going to calculate capital X. It is given by x minus 7, subtracting all x12 with 7. I got minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 and capital Y is given by subtracting y with 5. So I got minus 7, minus 9, minus 5, minus 7, minus 3, 1, 1, minus 5, 17, 17. So now I'm going to calculate x square, y square, xy. So x square has been obtained by squaring all the x values. I got 36, 16, 9, 25, 4, 1, 4, 9, 36, 64. And y square has been obtained by squaring all y values. I got 49, 81, 25, 49, 9, 1, 1, 25, 289 and 289. xy is obtained by multiplying x with y. I got 42, 36, 15, 35, 6, 1, 2, minus 15, 102 and 136. So now I am going to calculate summation x square, summation y square and summation xy. Summation x square is 204, summation y square is 818 and summation xy is 360. Now I am going to calculate the lines of regression y on x and x on y. So the y on x is given by capital Y is equal to summation xy by summation x square into capital X. So taking y is equal to y minus y bar and x is equal to x minus x bar, I got the equation y minus y bar is equal to 360 by 204 into x minus x bar. So y minus 15 is equal to 1.76 x minus 7 because y bar is 15 and x bar is 7. So on simplifying this equation, I got y is equal to 1.76x plus 2.68. Similarly, I am going to calculate x on y. The formula is capital X is equal to summation xy by summation y square into capital Y. X minus x bar is equal to 360 by 818 into y minus y bar. So I got x minus 7 is equal to 0.44 into y minus 15. So I got x is equal to 0.44y plus 0.4 is the lines of regression, that is x on y. So now from these two lines of regression, I am going to calculate the correlation coefficient. So we have y is equal to 1.76x plus 2.68 and x is equal to 0.44y plus 0.4 are the lines of regression. So in this one, the coefficient of x is 1.7 and in this one the coefficient of y is 0.44. The formula is given by r is equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. So I am going to replace both the values here, that is plus or minus square root of 1.76 into 0.44. I got plus or minus 0.88. So since both are positive, the value of r will be equal to plus 0.88. So in the next lecture video, I'll be starting the curve fitting concept and I'll be discussing the straight line equation y is equal to ax plus b. Thank you.